everyone's 2023 is off to a great start. Today, I have 3 predictions to share for data center physical infrastructure in the new year. Starting off with lots of talk regarding macroeconomic uncertainty and a potential recession in 2023, my first prediction is that there will be no data center recession in 2023. Interest rates are rising and there have been tech-related layoffs. However, these are much more correlated to consumer-linked segments. On the other hand, record low data center vacancy rates and historically high data center physical infrastructure vendor backlogs will play a big role in driving market growth in 2023. My second prediction is that we will see an increased focus on data center power availability and on-site power generation. The first way this will materialize is in long-term energy storage deployments, namely lithium-ion batteries in the duration of 2 to 4 hour runtimes. Second, the conversation on hydrogen fuel cells will continue to evolve with learnings from early deployments and POCs going public. And then lastly, a new entrant in the power availability conversation for data centers, SMRs, or small modular nuclear reactors with power generation capabilities ranging from 50 to 300 megawatts, will garner increasing mind share. And we won't see any SMR deployments until the end of this decade, but the data center industry will start laying the groundwork for what that will look like. And then my third and final prediction, and one that I'm personally most excited about, is related to liquid cooling. And we've seen significant momentum related to liquid cooling technologies in 2022, but the thing the industry is missing, and what I'm predicting we'll see in the second half of 2023, is our first large-scale immersion cooling deployment from a hyperscale cloud service provider. This will serve as a breakthrough moment for immersion cooling and help set the stage for mainstream adoption for years to come. Thanks for tuning in to my 2023 predictions, and I'll look forward to checking in at the end of the year to see what predictions came true.